session with a performance by Uraki, Maka, Kuiwai, Nagarata, and Melisei, Aikeresia, Wai. A performance of the most Whakawhanu. Okay. This is one of the ancient musical instruments that it is close to extinction. Playing a supporting role in this session will be a number of other ancient musical instruments, just to make the whole thing exciting. On that note, let me introduce to you these two marvelous young people who have committed themselves to the learning and the reviving of this near-dead musical instrument, whakawhanu. Performance art of whakawhanu. Whaiwa tā whakawhanu no whaiwa iwi whakawhanu. Please, welcome Robbie Maka and Melisei. Which is distinctively minor in mode, known as Afro Whakawhākene, the sound of the other side, the other world, the world of the dead. The Hogan, one of the master players from Whanu, which is a mock of mine, Kaniela Kairata. May I ask that you please welcome him. He will play a few tunes for us.
ni matate kui au e kore au pino. Kana e pai no to e whenga i o whamu ui mai a tini. Ko ki toko ni e pei tonga na e na tau ke lana mai. I he tokoni mo e koutou ko teki Profesa Ubanga. Ai a tini. Te au he katoai he mahuinga ia ko iau. Pai ko okonia te ane o maa mai ai ki aho ni pa ko e olae. Ia kuringa no mai o ki i te matoni ke whaasea tu. Ko ene o kuiai no e whanau eni i te kurupa ka no kurupa na o slava. Ko ki maa kaino no kurupa slava e pa ko i kaha u. E te mousio ai e hareha o Espa o no ngā ue aki u News Wellness Movement i ke mea akaro ko ke ki whai e ku. Kau ki lawe no tau ki i afo koe na e hanga e na hea lao. O iti aku, radu ku mahi mahi pini kau i o historia o e whakawhaku ko e afo koe. Ko e afo koe aku na e fia me hara ko ne si mapawan. Te a koe ka kai na hama kua kawa ko e iti na me hara ki whaka me hara. O kuiai e whakatokanga ki he kau master dia kau toki musik o kau a Richard Moyle o kuhanga Richard Moyle o hiki ai ki fuki afo ko kua ki afo ia muka musika ko hanga e ka kai mori o hiki a kau afo kua musika i tonga na e wha a lavara ka pukuvina ke lava ka pukuvia o rekodi kai makuai ai e kodi ko mai koe whai wa mena nei tika ki ai ha musika ia o hiki o rekodi. Ka koe whatoka e wha ko tu ari ai afo ko ia na wahi hiki koe he kaupāwa. Ka ho whawhiawhia e si o koe ki a Lehara. Nā nea o sia ai ki afo ko ia ai ni nei toki i fiatu e mata aku e koe. Ai o koe ki ngata pe i o to isi e kine ai ki so i a fo kasi e ki ai. O kuia historia maui ngata nao pito ki e a fo. E ko tu ki a fo o e ni o e tau musikane ne hiki tofu. O kakolonga mai kau muri o ako mai ki aho te toki pene te apu. E tua kua whai whiwhi ala iai. Wea no historia na. Oku ke ki I lawe pe koe moko putai o e kau helo mo I e taha I he kau taha whakawhaki. Pea koe me area pe ne taha he o kua puti tau me area whakawhaki. Koe taha e koe iwi. Whakawhaku pe taha ke na tulahe o kato ngā ue ki ai ai taha whakawhaku mo I whakawhaku. Pea koe moko putai na o Vasima a Hawati. Kune mama o atu. E koko I he whakamapuna koniti. Pea kau tuana ki koniti. O ake o whaimari kato pono. Pea kau he whia. I he ti. Na nera kone moko putai ki tau na tahai. Mauritu.
big and most beautiful musical instrument. It's called If. And we are fortunate to have these three young people, one of whom is Puna, that's my water. And of course, Rock Master is a descendant of a great artist from California. And Mercedes takes after me as not a so great artist, kind of secondary. He just had to do master artist of Dafa Family from play So may I introduce to you these four beautiful young children who will perform brass at Nighton with three bagpipes, tuned differently with the Tukipitu. Tukipitu has also long gone into extinction. There are only two Tukipitu left in the world. One is Norway, the other in Ireland. And you no longer see it, so you see it now. And I give credit to my colleague and artist friend Ipumonawa for taking a great interest in reviving this dead musical instrument, Tukipitu, which again he tuned differently. I'm sure you must have heard from Fango, the minor mold on which it is based, and in different ways this other ancient musical instrument. This enjoy and appreciate the revivalism of our ancient musical instruments, Tukipitu and Bibiha. first time we see a man of this age before the dark get there. May I thank you all for your patience and indulgence. And please give a big hand. Anyway, that was another element of surprise. It was the conclusion. Short but sweet. This is just to give you an appetite to encourage your children to engage in this movement, which is simple and humble, of reviving many of our long dead musical instruments, to bring them back to us. We are the owners of these musical instruments, not the museums in Europe or the UK, not the Parliament, but we, the people from the Moananui. Malo de Lavai, a reformaro, como Miamai, como Gaidi, como Kawawa, como Miamai, Kauma Marari. Tatau, with what tatau, with far, Maria Loroto, with mock, with form. Tatau, Lea Fatonga, of Fawai Ilo, of Fitutaku Ilo, Fonua, Aenia, Tau, Fai, Malari, Oya Guadra. And on this note, may I acknowledge the generous sponsorship rendered by the Oakland Museum in enabling us to showcase and display the very thing that is close to our hearts, our beautiful, most beautiful art forms, whether they be poetry, music, or dance, or fanfangu, tupipitu, and bibiha. On that note, may I wish you all good luck, and let's meet again next year for another experience of the beauty, harmony, and symmetry of our most beloved and cherished language, Tongan language. Paro Koyobe, and I'll pass it to the MC to tell us. Sorry, another surprise. Please bear with me. We will perform the Metro Bucket just to demonstrate the melody, the tune that was sung and performed by the performance of the Fanfangu and all of the above. Please welcome the Metro Bucket performance and performance.
Hey!
Fou.
Let's give one round of applause, one more for our Kanukupolu Village performance, Malo Pinto. While Kanukupolu village performers are just backing away, we're just waiting for the Iwi Palasa, for our Jerusalem youth brass band. They're not too far away, so they'll be setting away shortly. Malo.